If it's relevant, fun, or clever, if it simplifies your life or there's a takeaway, it's on the list. The Emmy award-winning program is from our parent company, Scripps, and it's coming to KMTV starting today. One of the hosts joins us via Skype, Bradley Hassemeyer. Good morning.
Hey, Mary, how you doing?
Hey, we're doing great. I'm really glad to have a few minutes here with you this morning. Is it fair to call the list a news magazine, or is it, I don't know, is it described in a better way?
I would say, we used to say there's the news and then there's the list. What makes us different is the news that we bring you is all like life news, right? We're here to make your life better. You're gonna find out what's going on in, Israeli-Palestinian conflict somewhere else. You're gonna hear about Aleppo somewhere else. We're gonna show you life hacks, DIY things. We're going to bring you tech and gear that you need to know about. We're going to keep you on the cutting edge on the front. So the news, yes, it's news, but it's news for your life, not necessarily news in the traditional sense.
Give us an idea about topics here, specifically during Premiere Week. What are some of the things you're bringing viewers?
Well, okay, the big one is rosé all day. Everybody's loving rosé.
Okay.
So we're going to do a couple segments talking about where did it come from and how can you incorporate it into your food, into your meals. Another one that's really interesting is 3 things that are in your pantry that need to move to your refrigerator. One of those, for instance, being almonds. So we kind of get into, 2 or 3 things. It's called the list. So we always have a list per segment of things that will influence your life, make it better, life hacks, that kind of thing.
We are just getting the list here today, but this is your 5th season. I mean, it's not like you guys are newbies at this. So throughout this whole thing, what has been your favorite assignment?
Ooh, that is such a good question. You know what? We did an Indy 500 special. I'm a car guy. I come from a background in cars and driving. And so we got to go to Indy 500, meet with some of the drivers. I got to ride along with Mario Andretti in an Indy car on the racetrack. And so it was cool because something that you would think maybe doesn't pertain to you, we found a number of segments and ways, from fashion to the food to who to follow on social media, connecting people in their real lives. People live on their phones. And essentially this show takes that idea, which is like, let's just get real, let's just get practical. And so going to the Indy 500 was great, but it also, people left with a lot of takeaway and knowledge, which is great too.
Okay, and then what's on your wish list? You're like, this would be the mother of all assignments.
Oof. I love to travel, so I would love to do maybe let's do a college football tailgate where I go
to Nebraska.
Of course,
Bradley.
The Huskers.
I know. Have you ever been to a game at Memorial Stadium?
I have not.
Okay.
Last year I actually hosted a competition that was not list related, but where I went around and hosted people doing tailgate cook-offs, which was great. So I got to go to a ton of different games, but have yet to be in the Husker Stadium. So
we would be your
I'm
host.
open.
In a hot second, we would happily take you to Lincoln, because we love to eat and we love football. So it sounds like it's a match. And then before we let you go, Bradley, how can our viewers connect with the list online?
Absolutely. So everybody's online these days. Facebook is a great place to go. Obviously, our website that you're seeing there. And we have a brand new app. So just search The List Show in Apple Store, in iOS. We've got it for Android as well, so get on Google Play. And then we're big on Instagram at The List Show TV. Also on Twitter with the same, The List Show TV. And you can connect through all of those if you just go to our website, thelisttv.com. All of the social connections are at the very top. Easy. Follow us. Oh, and every day we do this really cool thing called Dressing Room Debate. It's on Facebook Live around 12 or 12:30. Me and a couple of the hosts, we debate anything from should you have pockets in your dresses, women, or what was better, the original Willy Wonka or the new one? Toilet paper loaded on top or pull it from the bottom? Important stuff.
Yes to pockets, the original, and top, of course.
We're cut from the same cloth.
Bradley, really glad to have you here this morning. And then the list premieres here on KMTV this evening at 6:30. Thank you.
Yep. Yes, stoked to be there. Excited that we'll be seeing more of you guys. You'll be seeing more of us. And always reach out, use social media. Awesome way to interact with us. We always respond.
Sounds great, Bradley. Thank you.
Thank you, Mary.
All right, Mike, we'll send it over to you.